Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to close running apps on this device. So actually we've got only one important thing to do, and it is to open the recents, and you can do it just by tapping on the square icon here. So let's do it, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously opened apps. Of course you can turn off only one of it just by tapping on this X button on it, or you can swipe it up or left. It's up to you which option is more comfortable for you. Of course you can turn them off with only one click. Let's just tap on this, I don't know, Chrome icon right here in the middle, and as you can see we just got back to our home screen. So let's enter the recents, and after checking we can see that we've got no recent items here, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.